This is Pablo. Pablo knows his windows. But this isn't a regular window. This window is highly sustainable and the new top class in energy-saving windows. This special new window has been created by Indrismat. Indrismat is a game-changing startup in the construction materials market that's working towards a greener industry. Indrismat participates in the incubation program of Brightland's Innovation Factory, and they have developed the most insulating window in the market. And do you know why this window is so insulating? It's because this window is made out of polyurethane foam, which is the most insulating material. The polyurethane foam contains air pockets that maintain a constant temperature, thus preventing heat loss. This material is highly sustainable because it's easy to recycle. It also has a low carbon footprint as it is a highly bio-based material. You may think these high-performance windows would be really expensive. Well, they're not. Because Indrismat is developing a highly productive and efficient manufacturing process to be competitive in the market. And this is how Indrismat will become a leader in the window market. Interested? Join us now at indrismat.com.